Hi guys, so we're going to show you the demo of our network project. Right now we have the virtual machine running and we're going to launch the first topology. This is topology number 1 in our slides. So we've typed in the command, it's created a controller, it's adding the routers and connecting them via links. The links have a certain cost and they also have a certain bandwidth capacity. And now that the topology has been generated, we're going to launch consoles for each of the sources and each of the destination nodes. So in our network, we had 2 destination nodes, 2 source nodes. And on the destination nodes, we're going to launch iperf3 so that we can monitor the traffic coming into these destination nodes. And we do this by the iperf3 command. And now, in order to send packets to the destination nodes, we need to know the IP addresses of the destination nodes. And then we're going to send traffic or packets to the destination nodes at 1 megabit per second. And we're going to do this simulation for 300 seconds. So you can see now the source 1 is sending traffic at 1 megabit per second, and the destination node is receiving at 1 megabit per second. And this makes sense because the capacity along this link is 1 megabit. So we're at max capacity, and any more additional capacity should create congestion. So what we're going to do now is we're going to start sending packets from S2 to D2 along the same link at 1 megabit per second. So we should see both D1 and D2 receive 500 kilobits per second worth of packets. And you can see that D2 now is 500 kilobits per second, and D1 has throttled down to 500 kilobits per second. So this is what we expect. So in order to relieve this congestion, what we're going to do is launch the fibbing controller, which should create another path for some of the packets to travel to get to destination 1. So now that we've launched the fibbing controller, you can see the fake node has been injected. D1 is now back to 1 megabit per second, and D2 is also receiving at 1 megabit per second. So this is possible because the fake node lowers the cost from R1 to R2 because the fake node has a cost weighting of -1. So therefore OSPF will route traffic along this second path, and therefore the network is no longer congested. Thanks.